Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight we're coming at you with the random for a box break of 2012 Topps Valor football. All names have been entered into random.org. Going to randomize it 6 times. Good luck everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Guys, don't forget, check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com. Also, give us a follow on Twitter, @thecasebreakers. Okay, guys, I'll read you off your teams, give you a few minutes to trade. Good luck, everyone. All right, here we go. Arizona Cardinals, Jason M. Atlanta Falcons, Chris C. Baltimore Ravens, Kyle G. Buffalo Bills, KCC. Carolina Panthers, Kyle G. Chicago Bears, Will H. Cincinnati Bengals, Michael W. Cleveland Browns, Michael W. Dallas Cowboys, Justin M. Denver Broncos, Kyle G. Detroit Lions, Chris C. Green Bay Packers, Kyle G. Houston Texans, Chris C. Indianapolis Colts, Chris S. Jacksonville Jaguars, Chris S. Kansas City Chiefs, Justin M. Miami Dolphins, Chris S. Minnesota Vikings, Kyle G. New England Patriots, Chris C. New Orleans Saints, Kyle G. New York Giants, Kyle G. New York Jets, Chris S. Oakland Raiders, Kyle G. Philadelphia Eagles, KCC. Pittsburgh Steelers, Jason M. San Diego Chargers, Chris S. San Francisco 49ers, Justin M. Seattle Seahawks, Will H. St. Louis Rams, KCC. Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Brent M. Tennessee Titans, Brent M. And Washington Redskins, Chris S. There you have it. Guys, don't forget to check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow us on Twitter, @thecasebreakers. And I'm going to give you guys a few minutes to trade.